Hi guys, it's me, Volt. Yo, I sound like SS Sniper Wolf. Anyways, today we're gonna be playing another video. I'm gonna be playing another game of Loomian Legacy. Continue as Volt. So last episode, I said that we're gonna go into the forest of this deranged guy. Okay, an unskippable cutscene. Wow. Oh. They were possessed with an evil spirit. They attacked me with incredible strength. Yeah, this is a Pokemon ripoff, unfortunately. Okay, Nonsense, the guardians, birds, protector of the woods, certain claims simply do not make any sense. Fine then, don't listen to me. I know something has disturbed our force, and I will get to the bottom of this myself if I have to. Hey you, what did I do? Yeah, you, come here. What if I don't want to? No I'm not. Just cover that up, you know? I'm not a Loomian trainer. Too bad. No, no. Didn't you just say you'd get to the bottom of this yourself? Why are you sending a small, lost, helpless child out there on your own? This monster. Hmm. Okay. Fine. Looks like I have no choice but to go investigate. A wild Cathorn appeared. Okay. Use static shock. You know, I'm not really gonna catch any Loomian until I get to like a higher part where they're actually good Loomians to catch. I now use pounce. Okay, that's a cool one shot That's a cool combo. I play too much. I play too much TSB. I'm guessing. No, whatever. I guess it's a good time to start grinding, cause that boss battle is hard. And you guys are gonna watch me grind this entire time. Okay. Oh. Let's see, static shock. Nope. Let's see, so what I can do is use static shock again, and I can use pounce. Easiest one shot combo ever. I'm just gonna go on mute for now though. Just so you know, if you want to watch this to learn how to become better, I am not that person to teach you. How many Lumias does this guy have? Okay, please be the last one. Okay, field's the last one. I don't care if you know if I have static shock. I'm still gonna use it on you anyways. My only weakness, being bitten by a bug. I need to wait for a bit. Don't stare at me. Don't you know it's rude to stare? Okay, level 9. Nice. Oh no, my precious bugs. Your precious bugs are attacking me. What do you think I'm supposed to do? Make way for them? Okay, finally. Let's go. Wow. Fight. Pounds. My melee defense fell. Oh no. Oh, come on. Why? Why me? This is just sad, honestly. Growl? Oh, at least it does less damage now. Now let's finish it off. Use pounds. Shouldn't have let your guard down. Ah. Yeah, I'm never gonna use that voice again. Oh, come on. It took me that long to be one empty. You just sending in another? I'll just rest for a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm about to die. Use pounds. Another pounds. I'm actually scared. Pounds, pounds, pounds. Hurry up, hurry up. Feel I barely beat that. Barely. Oh, I failed. What kind of person reacts to losing like that? Yeah, before I go to the cherry blossom area, I should probably go heal up first. Because I'm about to die, so. No! Dang it, now is not the time for a wild propay, or whatever its name is, to pop up out of nowhere. I feel. Dang it. You know, if this game's made of got a visual rework, then it could be a lot more popular. But still, for now, for a game that was made in like less than a year, it's actually pretty good. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that'll just go back to the sensor for now. I might also need to buy some potions, so. But first of all, heal up. My only loomian. Okay, so next thing I'd want to do. Hello, kind sir. I'll take some small meds. Actually, no, I'm broke, so. Maybe later. I'm broke. I'm broke right now. I'm really broke. Wow, that barely does any damage. I should have just finished it with one static shock. Yeah, that was kind of bound to happen. Cornucopia? What kind of name is that? Level 11? Level 11, nice. I guess you get more XP for beating evolved Pokemon. Loomian, not Pokemon. My voice is getting annoying even to me, so I'm just gonna keep quiet for a few minutes. Okay. Finally, on to the boss fight. Wow. I think I'll go battle Latrina real quick before I go on because I really need some more XP, so. Okay. I'll just go battle this guy real quick before I go on because I need more XP, so. That boss is hard. This force is creepy. Owless. Okay. This is an actual battle because we're around the same level. I thought it would actually be a challenge. That gave me a level. That's nice. Twilight. Isn't that the bird again? Oh, it's the mouse. Okay. Static shock, I guess. And a second static shock. That should be enough to knock it out. Okay, so all I need to do now is go back over here and do the boss battle right after this cutscene. This already feels illegal, just going into a random dark forest and stealing an artifact. A digital transport feature? What year is this in the game? What year is this in the game? 2120? Wow, a jump scare. I mean, not for me, but for my character probably. Imagine just turning around and seeing some kind of creepy floating cat creature thing that has a skull as a mask. No, this thing might only be level 8, but its moves are OP, like way too OP. And of course, none of my moves do any damage. Okay, let me try Static Shock first. Like, oh, that actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, but it's the effect that does extra damage. Try using Static Shock again. Okay, finally. Like, you can barely do any damage to it. Items, small med, muse. I don't even have any other loomian. What do you mean she just wants it? Oh, no matter. Stupefly. Okay, anyways, use pounds. That's sad, honestly. Static shock again? Startle. Use growl. I really need to heal up again. It didn't do as much damage this time. I'm just gonna wait for a bit. Stupefy. Okay, What does stretch do? Speed rose. That's actually really useful. Static shot. No. Wait. Static shock. Please stun it. Please stun it. Please stun it. It didn't paralyze it. Static shock again. I have to rest. Nah, I'm not gonna use Pond. Ew, I guess. If it gets really desperate, I'll use another heal med. Just one more attack and then I'll use the heal med. Yes! Finally. Wow, that was clutch. Dust kit cannot be found in the wild. Okay. Is everything alright? Yeah, sort of. This really was a 20-minute episode. Well, 20 and above, I guess. Oh, so you can come all the way through the forest, and yet you leave a child alone to battle a dangerous loomian that should not be released into the wild. Wow, this man is a really irresponsible adult. Like, really irresponsible.